Sana hindi magaya sa mama, papa.
Huwag mong ma-joke. Huwag mong mana sa mga parents. And for good health for both our children. Yes. And salamat sa tanan pagkaito sa among party. And tani may enjoy ka mo kag let the party memorable.
Hey sir, gusto nyo magbati-hati sir? Sir na ha? Sir, may bago sa sir, may bago.
Salamat sa pagkakit sa birthday natin today. Ayaw ko have fun tonight. Salamat lang.
Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so decide guys, let's count all together. 1, 2, 3 to blow the candle up. Alright, everybody count. Go! 1, 2, 3, and blow. Yay! Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so decide mag-picture taking kita na. So, remain standing lang yung mga prayer na tauna for the food. Okay, so let's bless the food before we eat our meal. After the picture taking, proceed na din sa ating buffet. Alright?